morning, service department. How may I help?
Hello. How are you?
Very well. How are you today?
All right. You know I'll quote it. You know the scripture in Ezekiel 3:7. It says, he said to Ezekiel, "They won't listen to you because they are unwilling to listen to me, Jehovah." Yeah. So I'm just wondering why you're not listening to Jehovah God, the Almighty. Now you've got my documents. I spoke to the legal team yesterday. They don't even dare put the phone down. Or the world headquarters. Why? Or Australia or Argentina. Why is that? Done it again, ain't you?
Good morning. I was just seeing if you're okay.
Right. Oh yeah, mate. Don't worry about it. You look at my YouTube channel, JEHOVAH'S, HACCHE, and go and look at the supernatural miracles that have been happening, right, on camera. My friend Jason has lights flashing all the time, all over Manchester City. Every day since he's met me, he basically lights are flashing all the time. Is that a coincidence or is that supernatural?
Well, I don't know.
Red and right yesterday. Red and green lights over the North Kingdom Hall, the North Highcombe, the Birchwood Kingdom Hall in Lincoln. And basically, it looked like a drone. It stopped right near Venus, and I've done all the connections with the numerology and everything. And basically, have you heard about the drones in New York and New Jersey? Well, the New Jersey earthquake 4.8 a few months ago was on the Ramapo fault line. Who's called Ramapo? The media center at Watchtower. It's all connected up to basically the 4.8 earthquake was the biggest since 1884, which was a 5.0 earthquake in Brooklyn, New York, where the Watchtower had their world headquarters. 1884, that's when Charles Taze Russell started Watchtower. It's all connected up. Please go and look. I know you're listening because Jehovah's opening your eyes, but please go and check my YouTube channel, JEHOVAH'S, HACCHE, and you can download the 7 Armageddon documents of Revelation, which is the plagues of Revelation that are coming against Watchtower and the whole world. In fact, paradise is coming. We're just round the corner. It's on there is the Shroud of Turin, a document that proves my son Joshua is Jesus Christ in the flesh. Have you heard of the Shroud of Turin? Yeah. Right. Basically, that face, Ray Downing did an artist's impression of the Shroud of Turin, and I found Face Plus Plus, a Chinese company that face recognition. It's one of the top in the world. You cannot fool it. My son Joshua matches the face of the Shroud of Turin artist's impression by 80%. The threshold is 73% for the same person. So they are the same person. All the AI pictures that have been going round. Have you heard in the news about the Shroud of Turin that basically it's 2,000 years old and they did X-ray scattering on it? Italian scientists, it's been all over the news. They've done AI pictures, the Sun newspaper, the Star newspaper, the Daily Mail, and all those faces match up to Joshua. And have you heard of Robert Powell, the Jesus of Nazareth film, 1977? He matches up with that face as well, and also the Passion of the Christ with what's his name. So basically, do you know? Thank you for listening, by the way. Do you know Revelation 6:12? It says there will be a great earthquake, and the sun will be darkened, the moon will turn to blood before the coming of Jehovah, and in Joel as well. Well, that is a solar eclipse, the sun turning black as sackcloth. That was on the 8th of April, 2024, and that went straight across North America and clipped the Canada branch. The 14th of March, 2025, in a month or two time, is the lunar eclipse across North America. Again, a warning sign to the Watchtower. The earthquake in Revelation 6:12 is the earthquake of the 1st of January 2024 in Honshu, Japan. And in Honshu, Japan, you will find the letters to make the word Joshua, my son. And that was actually a talk given, that was on the JW broadcast, was it? David's Plain #1. So basically, that's the sign. Do you go and ask your governing body what the sign is Revelation 6:12? Do they know when that's being fulfilled? The sun turned into black as sackcloth and the moon to blood. Do they know this?
I'm always interested in Bible prophecies.
Well, that's the prophecy. It's in Joel as well in the last days. You see, the thing is, my brother, the governing body claim to not be inspired. You know, the February 17th Watchtower, they claim to be not to be inspired. They're infallible, and they can make wrong choice, wrong doctrines. But the thing is, if any Jehovah's Witness points out any false doctrines, what happens to them in the congregation? Back room. If you carry on talking about it, you'll be disfellowshipped. I'm an ex-Jehovah's Witness, by the way. I am Jehovah God, but this is before I knew this. I'm basically, Elijah, Malachi chapter 4, verse 5. Well, it says, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and fear-inspiring day of Jehovah. I am the prophet Elijah reborn. If in 1 Kings chapter 2, it talks about how Elijah went to heaven. Do you remember? He never died. So Jehovah's bringing him back. On the 6th of May 2006, I had a supernatural experience where electricity and power, the ultimate power of the universe, entered into me. Jehovah came down. And in Luke, it says nothing is impossible for God. So I am the prophet Elijah and Jehovah, the most ruthless people in the world. And I can prove it on my Facebook page, James Hashay, and on my YouTube channel, Jehovah Hashay. Go and download the documents and try. You present evidence of not Jehovah, and you can't, can you? You can't. But I've got 200 gigabytes of evidence uploaded to my YouTube channel. It's absolutely incredible evidence. We're nearing the last days. You know Armageddon? It's on the 3rd of August 2025 when I take down the Watchtower. Soon it talks about a famine in Israel. Do you know Jehovah's Witnesses are spiritual Israel? Yeah. Well, in 2018. Yeah, but in 2018, the population of Israel in 2018, it was 8.5 million. It was 26 off the population of Jehovah's Witnesses, spiritual Israel. This is the thing with numerology. Jehovah's Witnesses don't believe in numerology on the JW.org. They say it's from Satan, and yet Jehovah's a mathematician. And he created the universe through maths. And you say the Bible code is nonsense. I'm a Bible code expert of 16 years. Absolutely incredible codes. I would make your eyes water with the evidence I've got. But nobody's prepared to come and see me, like it says in Ezekiel 3:7. They will not listen to me either. Hello?
I appreciate your book today, and I appreciate that you are very sincere and genuine.
Oh, no. Go and look at the evidence. You know what willful ignorance is? It's basically ignoring evidence against basically in Revelation 18:4, it says, get out of her, my people. Get out of her, my people. God's people, Jehovah's Witnesses. Get out of Babylon the Great. Hello? He's gone. He's still there.
I appreciate your...
Have you got my documents? Has the service department been getting my documents? Have they been getting my documents? Have you? He's gone. He's gone. He's scared. Watchtower's scared. That's one for Lloyd Evans and Kim and Mikey and Winston Gilling. Stuff that up your ass.